Got the Trend Airshield Pro. I grind knives and I do a lot of woodworking, especially wood turning. You can see both my channels. And I get bloody noses pretty much every day from, I think, the metal shavings floating around in the thing. I wear the respirator, but obviously it doesn't work with all this hair on my face. I'll open this up, show you what's in it. It was around $400. This version comes with the filter, just two filters, the shield, the battery, and a battery charger, I believe. Some of the PAPRs I was looking at online were $800 to $1,500. This one was, did I ever say that? $400? Right around $400 from Woodturner's catalog in Provo, Utah. Anyway, hopefully it won't mess my great hair cut up, because it is so awesome. Let's open it up. Alrighty. Obviously we have, looks like an owner's manual. Registration, owner's manual, and then we have, this says battery charger, battery pack, ear defender clips, and an airflow indicator. Let's take a look at this. So, airflow indicator, ear defender clips. This kit did not come with the ear defenders. I would suggest you wear earplugs. You see a little tiny charger, battery. This battery, I think they say it lasts 8 hours, 3.6 volts, 3.5 amp hours. Anyway, there we go. Let's open this bad boy. Wow, this is complicated. There it is. If you look at it this way, it looks like that alien. So, as you can see, it has this that goes around your chin. If you have a beard, it'll keep the dust out a lot better. Comes with one strip. You can buy the strips also. I'm hoping the filters are inside. There they are. Looks like the battery slides in this slot here. Filters are already installed. They just come off. There's 3 little pieces of them. You just have to line up each one. Do it. Battery goes in there. Close the clips. Charger goes here. And the initial charge should be 24 hours. And it's kind of like just a hard hat. You crank down this, sorry, you gotta push this one. It's a little fancier than a hard hat. So try it on. It's comfy. Hopefully it doesn't clog up. Which it already is, but it's not running right now, so can't fault that. It's really comfortable actually. The head strap straps down nice. Oh no, did I mess my hair up? Anyway, that's it. I'm going to charge it up and I will go out and grind some knives, maybe turn something on the lathe, I don't know. We'll do something. I'll do a small video of that and then check the filters, see how dirty they get. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe.